There's a new mask in town, and it is the most important item of 2020 and probably into 2021. These masks are going to protect yourself and others from hopefully contracting COVID, and there is no reason why you cannot be both stylish and safe. So today, welcome to the Style That Binds Us YouTube channel. It is Delia Folk here, and I am doing a mask haul with the Lainiere Fashion Performance masks. So this is a company that has created these beautiful masks designed by Angela Chan. They are made in Italy, and they are hand sewn, embroidered by artisans in Tuscany. They have these fabulous designs, and they have all of these incredible functional features. So I'm going to walk you through these masks, and we'll go from there. I'm going to tell you about all the details as well. So this mask is, I think of it like my mermaid mask. So they have these very fabulous mask with sequins. So this can be paired with a lot of different looks. I have been pairing them with navies. I went out and about and had a socially distanced coffee date, and they were extremely complimentary of this mask, and they said, "Tell me the website of the company. I must know all about it." People smile at me on the streets when I'm walking out and about. I think they appreciate that I'm respecting them, keeping them safe by wearing a mask, but also being playful and having fun with it. So this sequin one, I can channel my inner Ariel mermaid life. This one is a black sequin mask. So this one can be worn during the day, of course, but also maybe out and about at night if you want to be social and safe. I got so many compliments, even from females and males. For example, even the waiters, everyone looks at it and they're like, "I love your mask. That sparkly mask is so much fun." Now, this one is with red sequins. This will be perfect for the upcoming holiday season and can be paired with many different things. Of course, reds, whites, neutrals, crimson, and then blacks. Lots and lots of different ones. This one is fabulous, so there's no reason you cannot feel sexy in the mask. And it is very easy to not feel sexy in a mask and roll your eyes and think it's such an inconvenience or be self-conscious about it. But this mask is red and black lace. So this would be perfect for a social occasion where you still want to look super cute and sexy. This one is fun. It is red and maroon. So we've got two colorways going. It has these neat appliques. And so that is this one. And then this one is both, it has blue and white checks, and then it's also green lace overlaid on the top. So this can match with a variety of things, the blues, the whites, or the greens. So you can decide which direction you want to go in. This one is great, a fabulous go-to because it's black with silver lace applique on top, this metallic thread. And so this one again is perfect for a social outing, going out and about. This mask is pink, green, and white floral pattern if you want to get more feminine. And then this one is pink and white lace, again going in the feminine, perfect for daytime. So this is Lainiere Health and Wellness. So those were the Fashion Performance. And so this one is non-medical fashion cotton mask. It says droplet repellent, antimicrobial, and anti-odor. So these, it comes in a 4-pack, and they have black and white. These match with anything. So if you want to be a little less fashion forward but still safe, that is a great option. This one is incredibly adorable. So this is Lainiere Kids. Literally create your own mask. It comes with 96 stickers, and so this can be a wonderful DIY activity and maybe an educational opportunity for your children to talk to them about COVID and pandemics and why all of this is happening, but also make it a little bit fun and less scary. So telling them you get to wear this mask and you get to design it how you want. So these are camo. So this is in case there is someone in your life, maybe a male, and they are really not into the mask. But if they are into hunting or fishing, this could be a great option. If someone likes their mask, they are probably going to be more inclined to wear it. And then these are for children, and so Lainiere Kids Droplet Repellent, I told you that before. So this one, they have penguins and little dogs. So these are unisex. These are blue, so they could go for little boys or girls. And then last but not least, these are pink, so maybe for girls but still unisex. They have little cats, unicorns, and flamingos. So absolutely adorable little mini compared to this size. So now I'm going to put these down and talk to you about the functional details. So all the masks, they come with these antibacterial bags, so you can store them in here. And so let's say if you're out to dinner and you don't want to put the mask on the table, you could put it in here. Or if you want the mask to live in your purse, you can put the mask in here and put it in your purse so that it's not getting germs on it. I try to be very protective of the side that touches my face, which obviously makes sense. So who would have thought that we would be wearing these masks, that they would be the most important accessory and item of the year? And now when I'm creating my outfits, I either create the outfit and have a great time picking which mask I want to pair with it, or I am designing an outfit around one of these masks. So I'll say, okay, I really want to wear sport, go out and about with this blue sequin mask today, so let me create an outfit around that. In terms of functional details, these masks have 3 layers. So the outer layer is a non-woven fabric, and as we said, they have these lace applique details and all of those things, and they are handmade by the artisans in Tuscany. The middle layer is a filter. It electrostatically absorbs tiny particles and droplets so that they cannot infiltrate the filter. And then the inner layer of the mask, I'll pick this one, it is soft, silky smooth. That is the one that is closest to your face, and it absorbs water, sweat, and spit. So it protects you from the elements. The other positive is that it protects you from everyday environmental things like allergens and pollutants. So I walk very quickly. I'm either rushing to get somewhere, or I'm just always on a mission getting from point A to point B. And so that means I'm probably breathing heavily, and one of the complaints about these masks is that it can be hard to breathe. But these, it's far enough away from my face that I feel like I can breathe still when I'm breathing heavily, and it is this soft, silky situation when I have it on. These masks are anti-odor, antibacterial, antimicrobial, you would not believe, and they are definitely thick, and so when I'm wearing it, I feel very protected from the outside world, particles repelling from near my face, which is so important these days. These masks are unique. You're going to stand out from the crowd instead of wearing just the surgical mask. which is great, of course, and you should definitely wear that. Another thing is that these are the perfect gifts, so you can either be thinking about it for holidays, or if there's a birthday coming up, or if you just wanted to send someone a mask and say, hey, I love you, I want to keep you safe and protected, I saw this mask and thought of you, and then, you know, hear all the incredible details about it. So great gifts, and it's literally a life-saving gift, or you're saving someone else's life. So this is the most important gift of all in terms of care. So you can machine wash them, treat them like your delicates. So you will lay them flat to dry. You're not going to put them in the dryer. Or, of course, you can hand wash them. And then the ones with the sequins, you can dry clean all of them, but they definitely recommend dry cleaning the ones with the sequins. And with these masks, it's one size fits most, so they fit most adults and children. I hope you enjoyed this mask haul video. Happy masking! Thank you so much for tuning in to the Style That Binds Us YouTube channel, and we will see you next time. If you liked this video, make sure to like it. Comment down below, let us know what other topics you want us to cover. Subscribe to the Style That Binds Us YouTube channel. Stay tuned because we're going to do a mask video where we create outfits and showcase them with the mask. So that will be in the description below, as well as all of the functional details that I talked about and the website link to get these masks. Thank you so much, and stay safe out there, stay healthy. We're thinking about you, and we can't wait to see you soon.